This is Azan Arrest Auto. Today I want to try and solve a problem with Honda 2003 Pilot. That is 2002 to 2007. When you upgrade the car stereo, you lose your subwoofer. Actually, the customer, I did this job. I didn't see an external amplifier, so I assume it doesn't use a sub. And later the customer called me that he was not hearing sound from behind, but actually the issue was not sound from behind. The issue was the subwoofer that wasn't working. So because when I'm done, I always check to balance that everything is working fine. You know, for instance, you can see that the right, the front right is working. That's the front left, the rear left, and the rear right. So everything is working. Balance them. But what he was actually referring to was the sub. So let's see the sub. The sub is actually located here. So you are not hearing sound from here. So we are going to try and figure out how we'll get sound to the sub. So just pry up this to remove it. The caster is already removed. This is the harness that I use to. This is the harness that I use for the connection. The subwoofer is here. This is the subwoofer's connector. We'll confirm it anyway. This is the subwoofer connector, so you can see that on this adapter that I use is not here, so there was no way the subwoofer could actually get sound. So we'll confirm that this is actually the subwoofer, sound for the subwoofer. So we'll do that immediately. Let me wire up my probe and use it to test. So that's the speaker connector. The two cables are there. Why is it on blinking? So it's not actually. Why don't you feel it? Let me do everything myself. So now this is actually ground. So I'm going to send 12 volts down to the speaker so you can hear. Actually hear the sound of the sub, showing that this was not connected to the wiring harness. So because of that, it was not actually getting sound. So how are we going to solve this? There are two ways to solve this problem. I will start for the most expensive to the cheapest means of solving it. The first one is to buy because the subwoofer is a passive subwoofer, so it's to buy an active subwoofer. Get audio out because there's a line out for subwoofer here. As you can see, there's a line out for sub. There's line out for sub, so we can get an amplifier, connect this with an RCA cable and send it to the amplifier. So that's the first option, was to get a an active subwoofer, then get a line out from here to the sub. That's first option. That means you have to take out the subwoofer in the car and put a new subwoofer, which is quite expensive. The next option is to get an amplifier, a small amplifier that can power the subwoofer. So you leave the subwoofer, just get a small amplifier. You also get the line out for the sub from here to that amplifier. Now the third option is we have to wire the passive sub to either the rear, any of the rear speakers. Now you can wire it in series or in parallel. I will explain further how this will be done, then we'll come back. So I now got the circuit diagram for the Honda Pilot, and I discovered that it has a total of 7 speakers. We have the front left. The front left has a tweeter connected to it in parallel to it. It has the rear left. You have the subwoofer. You have the rear right. You have the front right. You now also have the tweeter connected in parallel with the front right. So the 2 front speakers has the tweeter connected to them in parallel, and the speakers were all 4 ohms for the front left, rear left. All these were all 4 ohm. For the tweeter, I didn't confirm. I suspected it's 4 ohm as well. So we now have the subwoofer, which is a 2 ohm speaker. However, the Android I had, which is this, has just 4 speaker channels: front left, rear right, and front right. And all of them are 4 ohm. So the minimum this Android car stereo can take per channel is 4 ohm. So I'm now have the challenge of how to fix this subwoofer. Then the third option is for you to actually find a way to connect this subwoofer in parallel or in series. So either of these speakers. Now, since the front left and the front right are already connected to this tweeter, obviously it will not be wise to connect them to those ones. So you are now left with either using the rear left or the rear left speakers. You are ready to connect the subwoofer to either the rear left or the rear right speaker. Mind you, you cannot connect the minimum this car stereo can take is 4 ohm. So let us see the implication of connecting it in series and connecting it in parallel. Now, when you connect the speakers in parallel, this is how the speakers will be in parallel. We have a 2 ohm speaker, which is the subwoofer, then any of the rear speakers, which is 4 ohm. By the time you combine them, you have a total resistance of 1.3 ohms. Now this 1.3 ohms is already less than the minimum of 4 ohm. We require 4 ohm minimum. The 3 ohm, the 1.3 is already less than the minimum required for the Android car stereo. We have upgraded the factory stereo too. So the other option, let's look at it in when we connect the speakers in series. When you connect them in series, you now have a total of 6 ohm. Of course, your 6 ohm is greater than the minimum, which is 4 ohm. So this is the safest way to connect it. If you connect in parallel, it will work, but over time, it's either going to destroy that channel or destroy the audio IC and hereby the system. If you connect it this way, because this will be drawing more current from the audio IC to either damage the channel or damage the entire IC. But when you connect it this way, the IC will not be strained. Nothing will happen. Just that you will not get enough power to drive both speakers as you would have. But it's better than when you have to draw too much power. And mind you, you might not even notice, because you might not even notice the sound difference, because the decibel changes might not be very, very visible when you by just listening to the sound. So if we are to go by this connection, this is what we will finally have. Here you have the normal front left, front right, rear left, rear right. So we are connecting the subwoofer to the rear left speaker. If you connect it that way, you can connect it to either this or this, but I use this as a way of explanation. So all you just simply need to do, you can split the signal cable. You have the positive and the negative. You can split it there, then connect it to this. When you do that, automatically these two speakers will be in series. So this channel will be seeing a total of 6 ohm instead of 4 ohms. And since this 6 ohm is not the minimum, 4 ohm is the minimum, so the set will work and the problem will be solved. So now I've done the explanation. We will now go to the car and implement this connection. Now for the rear speakers, looking at the harness I used, the purple and the green, they are the rear speakers, while the gray and the white are the front speakers. So I can decide to pick from any of those. So to confirm it, this is one, this yellow and the brown. So we'll find a way to do that. I have to disconnect this connector. So let's try again and see. So you can hear the right here. So all I need to do, this is for the sub. I'll cut this and attach it to this line. Then it will be in series and we are done. So I will do that now. So I'll remove the subwoofers, cut it. Now I can see the positive line of the rear speaker connected one here and to the other end here. So now we're going to connect it, and then we're going to power on the car. There's the car. We have to use our radio. Because of copyright issues, I want to pick a radio station to test it. Let me try.
Pẹ̀lú iléeṣẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ owó náà àti san gbèsè wọ̀nyí tó jí ń ṣe ìdásí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀bẹ̀ èyí tí àjọ jẹ́ńkò sí bẹ ìjọba tí fi rawọ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ sí ìjọba àpapọ̀ lórí sísan owó yìí tí ìjọba jẹ wọ́n. Lára akitiyan àti mú kí ọ̀rọ̀ ìmọ̀tò àyíká kó lè túbọ̀ gbilẹ̀ sí lóhùn ìjọba àtúnlẹ̀ Èkó tí ó kéré tán ọjà mẹ́ta àti ibi ìṣòwò ìtọ́wà àti ojú ọ̀nà fún ìdúgba ìgbésẹ̀ yìí wáyé látàrí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìkìlọ̀ èyí tí wọ́n ti ń fi ẹ́sà tí ó sì jẹ́ pé wọn ò sí nǹkan kan sí i láwọn inú ọjà wọ̀nyí kọmíṣánná ọ̀rọ̀ ìmọ́tótó àyíká Ògúnbọ̀ Wahab ṣe àtúnyẹ̀rò títẹ̀sí iwájú lórí àyífi àyè lẹ́gbà ìdọ̀tí.
Sorry, okay, maybe let me try and play video. Maybe that will give.
Inú ọjà tí kálukú wà. Adájọ́ Ayétúndé Fìyẹ́rò ní ilé ẹjọ́ ká ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó tí ń bẹ ní Ìkẹjà ti fagilé.
hear the sound of the doors. You can actually okay. So let me move away. You can actually see that compared to the door speaker here. Actually see. So the subwoofer issue has been fixed. This is Azan Arrest Auto. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. So I will tidy up everything now and fix everything back the way it is.